How do? Blimey, fret bending jigs are expensive, aren't they? Should we just make one instead? So all we need is a chunk of wood, some washers, 3 bolts and a wing nut, but to be honest, if you're using big nuts these would work as well. And I've got one little secret ingredient that will just make it a little bit more accurate. So basically all we need is 2 holes for bolts to go through level with each other, and they've got these bearings on that can just about got a groove in the middle of there that your fret's going to run up and down on. The third one goes on a slot that can move up and down a little bit, so you can change the angle and the curvature of that fret. So let's start with a center line. Doesn't have to be particularly central, but just something to use as a marker point. So winding this down to its extreme, or just before, I'm going to hold that on the top because this spiky bit's going to be recessed in the top of here. That is the bottom of the slot that this can use. So the bottom of my slot needs to be there. The top of the slot could go all the way up to there. There we go. So now this can be sliding up and down for this distance. Now the 2 holes either side of that, if that's going to sit there, they can be not quite level because you're never going to have a 2-inch radius fretboard, but something like that, and then by the time that's up to the top it's not even touching. So I'm going to say center point's going to be about there, so it's just below that, and we'll make that equidistant from this pencil line, and I'm going to go fairly close, I think. So to make the fret run just a little bit cleaner and straighter as well, I've put a really thin washer in between these 2 bearings, so the tang fits inside there and keeps the fret nice and straight as it curves through. So there we go. Before you go lashing 60 quid on a fret bending jig, just grab some bolts and washers and make one first. Now if you then build in hundreds of guitars, you might want to invest on a fancy one that's maybe got a handle that feeds the fret wire through, but to be honest, just a gentle pull works brilliantly. So there you go, quick, simple, cheap and quite efficient with that extra little screw on the top. Go make yourself one. Until next time, sharpen your tools and I'll see you soon. God bless.